Hey, Austin here with Kaevac, and I have another important maintenance tip for you, inspecting the squeegee blades on your squeegee head. The squeegee blades are vital to the vacuum recovery process. Worn or damaged squeegee blades will create a loss of suction and leave streaking on the floor. So it's important that we check the blades daily. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. As you can see, these squeegee blades are worn and they need to be replaced. To remove the squeegee blade, I'm simply going to lift from the center of the blade and pull it out to remove it. We'll go ahead and remove both squeegee blades. When replacing a squeegee blade, we want to make sure that the ridges on the blade are facing out away from the center of the squeegee head. Once I've got that, then we can go ahead and slide the squeegee blade underneath one of the wheel housings, create an arc in the blade by bending it, and then position it underneath the opposite wheel and pop the squeegee blade in place. We'll do the same for the opposite side, ridges facing out. Underneath one of the wheel housing, bend the squeegee blade and position it underneath the opposite housing, and then replace the squeegee blade. By inspecting the squeegee blades and replacing the blades as needed, you'll ensure maximum performance out of your vacuum system and prevent streaking from the floor. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on maintaining your UniVac system. We'll see you in the next one.